leadership of our governor is currently embarking on huge construction. First and foremost, we are embarking on construction of 5 flyovers. One in Ede, the hometown of the governor. One in Ile-Ife, the cradle of Yoruba race. One in Ikirun, one in 2 in Osogbo, one in Ameko, and one in Atokefia. Then we are equally embarking on dualization of roads across the state. We are dualizing from Old Garage to Osogbo to Alameko. We are equally dualizing in front of Kabiyesi Palace to Buri and to the Express. What our governor is doing in terms of road construction is unprecedented. We need to support him. We urge all our sundry to come around to support our governor. And on this road is very, very important. It's a road that leads so many communities. People from Ifo will benefit from it. The people from Ilobu will benefit from it. The people of Erin will benefit from it. The people of Egbedi will benefit from it. All the rural areas in this place, this road will ease the use of transportation. And so we have to be grateful to our governor, and most especially the Minister of Works under the leadership of Engineer Bashir Bello. Thank you very much. God bless you.